Hello, welcome to my training video on how to sell online even if you have no list using free Facebook traffic. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Daniel Quek. I'm a professional consulting engineer, a software developer, and a workshop trainer. Beside my professional work, my hobby has been in the field of internet marketing. I have part-time as an internet marketer for the past 20 years. I'm your instructor and mentor for this video training course on how to sell online even if you have no list using free Facebook traffic. What can you get from this video training course? I will show you in this training video course how you can sell online even if you have no list using free Facebook traffic. The training course includes lots of practical tips with step-by-step over-my-shoulder guide with video wherever possible. It is suitable for newbies and average internet marketers who want to learn how to sell online using free Facebook traffic. The course is based on a proven marketing technique used by top internet marketers, which I applied and tested myself. I will share with you my own personal experience in implementing the technique. I have simplified the technique and will show you an easy way of doing things. I will leave out certain approach which I think is not effective and is not useful to you. I will show you the tricks and shortcuts I learned along the way so you don't have to repeat the same mistake I did. How to reserve your spot in the training course. You can reserve your spot using the opt-in form on this page, or you can go to this URL and sign up now. Overview of this video training course. This is a 6-part video training course, each with a video covering a different aspect of selling online. The topics are represented by the word rapid as follows. Video 1, R stands for research. Video 2, A stands for anger. Video 3, P stands for promotional messages. Video 4, I stands for incentives. Video 5, D stands for deploy. Video 6, implementation, is a combination of video 1 to 5. Topics covered in each video. This is a 6-part training video, with each video covering a different aspect of selling online. You will receive one video a day. The topics are as follows. Video 1, research, how to uncover hidden affiliate commission gold mines. Video 2, anger, how to stand out and hypnotize prospect into buying from you. Video 3, promotional messages, how to write promotional messages that can get the attention of your prospects. Video 4, incentives, how to provide powerful psychological triggers for people to buy through your links. Video 5, deploy, how to promote using paid and free traffic methods like what the pros are doing. Video 6, implementation, how to put together what you learned in video 1 to 5 to sell successfully online. What is covered in each video? Presented in the following slides are the main topics covered in each video. Video number 1, how to uncover hidden affiliate commission gold mines. I will show you why it's best to stick to products in internet marketing and why it is the most profitable. I will show you how to look for lucrative affiliate products. I will show you why you must buy and use the products and understand the product yourself before you try to sell them. I recommend you look for evergreen products you can sell all year round. Case study number 1. I will show you how to look for lucrative evergreen products on JVZoo and how to gain approval even if you have zero sales. Video number 2. How to stand out and hypnotize prospects into buying from you. I will show you how to find evergreen products and coming up with a different angle or theme to sell it. Why you must not do what most people are doing. How you can do things differently so you get noticed. How to use the storytelling approach to build curiosity. Case study number 2. Example of a bad email with no angle that look like junk or spam mail that you must avoid writing. Video number 3. How to write promotional messages that can gain the attention of your prospects. A good message, whether it's on Facebook, email, blog, or tweets, must have the following: subject line or headline, opening sentence, story, lesson, call to action. Case study number 3. Example of a good email message with the headline, opening sentence, story, lesson, and call to action that you can easily copy. Video number 4. How to provide powerful psychological triggers for people to buy through your link. I will explain to you why a product walkthrough video is the most preferred type of bonus. Because prospects want peace of mind that the product works. They can get help with the product, and you bought the product too, so the product must be good. Case study 4. How to create bonuses and uphold them to JVZoo, and where to find unlimited PRR products that you can give away as bonuses for free. Video number 5. How to promote using paid and free traffic methods like what the pros are doing. I will show you 2 methods to promote on Facebook. With this method, you will learn how to use an autoresponder and landing page to create a funnel. And a free traffic method, you will learn how to promote using free traffic on Facebook. Case study number 5. How to promote on Facebook using free and paid traffic by following secret techniques used by top internet marketers. Video number 6. How to put together what you learn in video 1 to 5 to sell successfully online. This video is about putting together what you learn in video 1 to 5 and include how to sell on Facebook using free traffic, over the shoulder look at how I do it, get the done for you system where everything is done for you, free 1-to-1 technical support from me personally. Case study 6. Case study 6 is on hands-on training on how to apply what you learn in video 1 to 5 in a practical way to sell JVZoo products online using the done for you system. Find out where to get 70 hand-picked hot selling evergreen products on JVZoo that you can sell. Find out how to get guaranteed approval as an affiliate even if you have zero sales. Find out where to get pre-written promotional messages for email, Facebook, blog, Twitter for the product you want to promote. Find out where you can download ready-made bonuses to be given away as incentive with your affiliate products. Free 1-to-1 technical support. I will give you free technical support for all the material in the free video training course. I will provide you with free one-to-one technical support until you succeed. I will prepare special video and report on my implementation to help you. I will provide free online support via Facebook Messenger and Facebook page on my implementation of the method. Free special report. You will receive special report with each video. You can print them out and watch it with the video. How to reserve your spot in the training course. You can reserve your spot using the opt-in form on this page. Or you can go to this URL and sign up now. How to get in touch with me if you need help. You can get in touch with me if you have any question or if you need help. You can use Facebook Messenger. You can go to my Facebook page and get more tools. You can contact me by email or you can Skype me. That's the end of my presentation. See you in the next video. Bye.